Yeah. Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to download and install the Python application. Just in a Google, type Python download. From the official website only we can download, that is python.org. Just click on this. It will show that latest version, download Python 3.11.1, and this is for Windows, right? If you want to go for any other operating system, you can choose the corresponding platform. Here it is, we are downloading. Once you click on that, automatically the download will start. So once the download has been completed, you just click on this one, right? Then automatically installation will start. See here, install now. And look at this, don't forget to check this option, add python.exe to the path, right? When you click on this one, automatically it will set the path for your Python application, right? And it will be recognized from the command prompt. That will see where we use and how can we execute the things from the command line. And just click on install now. Yes, click on yes. So then setup will start. So once setup has been completed, so we can work with that Python. But here, once Python application setup completed, so how can we write programs in Python? Nothing but how can we execute applications? What we should open? So that is very, very important. Just wait, I'll show you. Yeah, once setup completed, just click on this close. Then how can we open once it is completed? It will not show any icon and nothing. But here it is simply in programs, you need to search for IDLE. IDLE, right, is an editor where you can write and execute your Python applications. Just click on this one. Click on this. See, this is what Python shell window where we can execute only commands. We cannot write programs. Suppose you can check that output of like this 10 plus 20, 10 into 20, like commands we can execute commands. But if you want to run any program, so then here it is. So go to that file new option. When you click on that new, the new file will open, the new window, editor window. Here you can write any program. Suppose addition of two numbers, simple code I am writing. A equals to 10, B equals to 20. We are just adding both and printing that value. After that, save the file in any location. Save wherever you want. Suppose I'm saving on my desktop. Code.py. Extension of Python file should be py. I'm saving on my desktop. And then just click on run button. How can you run this application? Means shortcut is a F5, or you can directly click the option. It will show the output like this. So whenever you are writing the code here, just modify, save it, and then run it. Then automatically you can check the output in the shell window. We are writing the programs in editor, and whenever you run, automatically output will come in the shell window. Hope you understood. Install, practice the applications. Thank you.